In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create mockups in Canva. Whether you're showing off a logo, a flyer, or a product shot, mockups help your design look real and polished. We'll keep it simple. We'll start from Canva's templates, search for mockups, browse options, open one you like, and then customize it so it fits your brand. Start on the Canva home screen. On the left sidebar or along the top, click Templates. This is where Canva stores ready-made layouts and scenes, already sized and composed for you, which saves a ton of time and gives you a professional base to work from. Use the search bar to type mockups. You'll instantly see categories like devices, packaging, apparel, stationery, and more. A mockup is essentially a staged scene. Think a phone on a desk, a coffee cup with a logo, or a thank you card on a textured background, so you can visualize your design in context. Take a moment to browse. Scroll through and look for a style that matches your goal and audience. Pay attention to orientation, color palette, and realism. Many results come as multi-page sets. You can use one page or the whole set for a cohesive look. If filters are available, narrow by theme or color to speed things up. When you find one you like, click Customize this template. Canva opens it in the editor as your own copy, so you won't change the original. Wait a second for assets to load, and you're ready to make it yours. Now edit the template to showcase your design. Replace any placeholder text by double-clicking and typing your copy, then adjust fonts, sizes, and line spacing for balance. Swap images by dragging your artwork from uploads into the existing photo frames. They'll snap into place and preserve the perspective of the scene. If your image doesn't fit perfectly, use crop to reposition it inside the frame. Tweak colors to match your brand, and use the Background or Elements panel to refine textures and lighting without cluttering the layout. Keep hierarchy clear. The product or design should be the hero, with supporting details secondary. Use position and transparency controls to fine-tune overlaps and create depth while keeping it clean. Before you wrap up, zoom out to review the whole composition. Check alignment, margins, and readability on both desktop and mobile previews. Rename your project for easy access. Canva saves automatically as you go. That's it. By starting in templates, searching for mockups, exploring options, customizing the one you choose, and then editing thoughtfully, you can create polished mockups in minutes. Practice with a few scenes you can reuse across social posts and presentations.